Representative, will you commit to opposing a nationwide abortion ban?
Will you commit to putting some sunscreen on those legs? Man, I gotta wear welding goggles. Oh, shit, I got you good.
Will you commit to wearing some sunscreen on those legs?
Representative, will you commit to opposing a nationwide abortion ban?
Will you commit to putting some sunscreen on those legs? Man, I gotta wear welding goggles out here. They're so wide.
And as somebody that's a part of the ginger community, I'm offended. Will you commit to wearing some sunscreen on those legs? They are white, though. Oh, God. The black shoes with black sock combo. With the khaki pants. Who told you you're allowed to wear this kind of stuff? Joe Biden? What? He looks like he went into Old Navy and said, I'll take one of everything. Excuse me, will you commit to a nationwide abortion ban? Pro, will you allow abortion everywhere? Do you think, I feel like this is like 90% of news. It's just interns being sent out everywhere. And they're like, hey, get this moment caught on film. See the reaction we get. We can have some viral moments. I'm just working on my TikTok. Oh, God. It's the short sleeve button up, tucked in khaki pants, black shoes combo that says, I am a Democrat. Stop it. He doesn't even have a shadow. Obviously a vampire.